We are going to start with the topic vectors. Vectors. This is the topic of motion in a plane. Okay. First of all, vectors. You know that vectors has two things: magnitude and direction. This has two things: magnitude and direction. Suppose we have a vector A. In order to show the vector, we use arrow above the alphabet. जो भी है उसके ऊपर अल्फाबेट के ऊपर arrow is there. So this is a vector quantity. It contains two different things: magnitude and direction. Suppose this vector A will have two things, that will be mod of A and A cap. Mod of A is called as magnitude. Mod of A is called as magnitude of A. Magnitude of vector A. A cap can be considered as unit vector or direction of A. Direction of vector A. देखो बच्चा, this is vector A. You know that every vector quantity has two different things: magnitude and direction. Magnitude is denoted by this thing, mod of A, okay, and direction is denoted by A cap if the vector is like this. So बच्चा, unit vector, it is used only for denoting what? Direction. Its magnitude is 1. नाम नहीं छुपा है. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. Means the magnitude of this vector will be how much? This A cap will be how much? 1. Let's have an example. Suppose we have a vector A is equals to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap. Yes or no? I know दिक्कत हो रही होगी. I cap, J cap and K cap. They are three different directions. Just let's have a quick point of point A. Let's have. This is point A. Whenever we are going to have a position of point A, देखो position is a relative quantity. Position कैसी quantity होती है? Relative quantity with respect to different things. Suppose this is a room. Okay. The corner of that room is that there. Okay. This is, let this be x-axis, this be y-axis, this be z-axis. The three axes are there. Whenever the position we are denoting, we are going to denote then with respect to origin. The position is denoted with respect to origin. The origin is that corner. Yes or no? The origin is that corner. Suppose a person is moving along the x-axis. Only x coordinate is changing. Then what is happening? Motion in one dimension. That is one dimensional motion. At the same time, if it will move in y direction only y coordinate will change. Here you can see, if only y coordinate will change, if a person is moving in like this, only y coordinate is changing. X and z is what? Constant. Y is changing. Yes or no? That is also one dimensional motion. If it is moving in along the z direction, again it is one dimensional because only z direction. The magnitude is changing only in z direction. But in the second case, if the person starts moving on this particular wall, this axis is x, that axis is y, then this plane will be xy plane. This plane will be what called as xy plane. The plane in which I am standing right now, that will be called as xz plane. I am standing in which plane? Xz plane. This plane is called as xz plane. That particular plane is called as yz plane. Yes or no? Yz plane. So this position with respect to origin, what does this wants to tell you? This wants to tell you this vector A has 2 in x direction, 3 in y direction, 4 in z direction. I cap is used for denoting the x direction, J cap is used for denoting the y direction, K cap is used for denoting z direction. अब यहीं पे समझने की बात है. 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap. Suppose I started from the origin. From here I started origin. Okay. in x direction 1 and 2, let this point be 2. Okay, after 2 marbles, this second coordinate. Okay, in y direction 1, 2 and 3, let it be this one. 2, 3 will be how much? It will be here. It will be here. Yes or no? 2, 3. But at the same time, I am saying 4z. Just pick this one from here to here. 4 times. Yes or no? This point. This point will be what? 2, 3, 4. X. In x it is 2. In y it is 3. And in z it is 4. Yes or no? Are you getting me?
Yes.
So 2, 3, 4. This can also be called as this point A can also be written as 2, 3, 4. The coordinate of this point is what? 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? So this is a vector. It has two quantities, magnitude and direction. Let's see. So in order to find the magnitude of this particular vector, mod of A, how we are going to calculate it? Let's see. Under root of 2 ka square plus 3 ka square plus 4 square. Okay, its magnitude, matlab from that origin, if I draw the line from that origin, if I will draw the line to this point, 2, 3, 4, the length of this line from here to there, from this point to that point, यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक की लंबाई will be how much? Will be equals to magnitude, length, and it has a specific direction like this from with respect to origin. Yes or no? So its magnitude is how much? 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, that is under root of 29. Yes or no? This is the length. But this under root 29 can be in this direction, can be in this direction, can be in that direction, anywhere it can be. But this vector A has a specific direction. 2, 3, 4 would be only at a single point. That direction with respect to origin, like this we are going to calculate. That direction is denoted by A cap. A cap. You can see from here, vector A is equals to mod of A into A cap. From this we can find what? A cap is equals to vector A divided by mod of A. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
A cap is equals to vector A divided by mod of A. Let's see, vector is how much? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap whole divided by. This is a unit vector. Its magnitude is 1. It is only used for direction. Now you will say, sir, how its magnitude is 1? I'm going to prove it. Let's see. It is 2 upon under root 29 I cap, 3 upon under root 29 j cap, 4 upon under root 29 k cap. Yes or no? So let's see. Magnitude will be considered as under root में 2 upon under root 29 का square plus 3 upon under root 29 का square plus 4 upon under root 29 का square. Like this only. We are going to find the magnitude. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let's see. Under root में LCM will be 29. Under root 29 का square 29. Under root 29 का square 29. Under root 29 का square 29. The LCM will be 29. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब 2 का square 4 plus 9 plus ऊपर कितना आया? 4 under root 29 upon 29. 1. Magnitude. What is the magnitude of this vector? 1. Yes or no? So this will be considered as what? Unit vector. Direction of vector A. Yes or no? Any doubts? I cap, J cap, K cap is cleared in each one, everyone's mind?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bacha, this was vector. Let's I cap, J cap, all the things are clear now? Anyone any doubts regarding anything? So, stop the video.